Welcome back to Top Gears, where we dive into the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're spotlighting a major milestone for Toyota. Their colossal 1,850-acre EV battery plant is now live. 1. A gigantic commitment to electrification. Toyota has officially kicked off production at its massive battery facility in Liberty, North Carolina, a sprawling 1,850-acre site. This marks Toyota's first battery plant outside of Japan and its 11th manufacturing facility in the US. 2. Scale and capacity, powering Toyota's future. The plant is designed to run at full capacity of 30 GWh per year, thanks to its 14 production lines. That's enough battery output to support a wide range of Toyota's electrified vehicles, from hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, and plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, to full battery electric vehicles, BEVs. 3. Models that will benefit. Initially, the plant will supply batteries for hybrid versions of Toyota's most popular models, think Camry HEV, Corolla Cross HEV, and RAV4 HEV. But the ambition doesn't stop there. It will also power a yet-to-be-announced, all-electric 3-row SUV. 4. Economic impact in jobs. This $13.9 billion investment brings more than just batteries. Toyota expects the plant to create up to 5,100 jobs in North Carolina. It's part of a broader commitment. The automaker is pledging an additional $10 billion over the next 5 years into U.S. manufacturing. 5. Multi-pathway strategy, not just full EVs. Toyota has long followed a multi-pathway approach to electrification, not putting all its eggs in the BEV basket. This plant echoes that strategy. It's flexible enough to produce different kinds of batteries, allowing Toyota to pivot between hybrids, plug-ins, and full EVs depending on market demand. 6. Bigger is coming. Toyota isn't stopping at 1,850 acres. Executives have indicated that the site could expand even further, especially as the company aims to be 70% electrified by 2030. They're also exploring advanced technologies, potentially even solid-state batteries, in future iterations of this plant. 7. Strategic importance. This battery plant is more than just a factory. It represents Toyota's long-term bet on electrification in the US. By producing batteries domestically, Toyota bolsters its supply chain resilience, reduces reliance on imports, and aligns its production closer to its American assembly lines. 8. Final thoughts. To sum up, Toyota's 1,850-acre battery plant in North Carolina is now operational, signaling a major shift in its approach to EVs. The scale is enormous, the flexibility is impressive, and the economic impact is real. With this move, Toyota is serious about electrification, but in a uniquely Toyota way. Thanks for watching Top Gears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the automotive world.